In this video, let me show you how to use the PESONet Philippines step by step. Now, this is a batch clearing electronic fund transfer service. It's designated for high value transactions. So unlike InstaPay, it is not instant. Instead, funds are cleared in batches, typically within the same banking day. So if you're trying to transfer high value transactions, this is a great platform or a system that you'll be able to use. So you'll be able to find this application on most Philippines bank accounts or on e-wallets as well, such as BPI, BDO, Maya, or even Metro Bank. So you just need to open up the application, head over to the transfer or send money section depending upon your bank. Within the option, you'll be able to see the PESONet option being displayed. You simply need to select the option and then tap on send. In the next step, you just need to enter in the recipient's details, which could be their full legal name, the contact information required, as well as the exact amount that you're trying to transfer. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the PESONet Philippines. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.